Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to take a look at the Sunnylife Mini 2. You have to say it right or you get comments, okay? The Mini 2 carry case. This is the the mini case. And the reason I got this case was because of the bike. You know, I've got that electric bike coming, and which I'm like super excited for. I mean, the amount of trails they have here, they just have that one trail, the Allegheny Passage. It goes from Pittsburgh all the way to Washington, D.C. You know, that's a few hundred miles. So, and it has, I think, a 1% grade plus or minus. So it's basically flat for hundreds of miles through the woods. And, you know, it's a super nice trail. So I'm real excited about getting that bike, and in the springtime hitting that trail with the bike, and I'm going to get extra batteries. I'm actually thinking about buying another bike, a mountain electric mountain bike, because on this trail there's so many spots to shoot videos that you can't get to with your car. You know, you can't get to, if you pull off on the road somewhere, you'd have to walk a great distance to get to where the trail is. You know, so it's not even feasible to do that. Going on the trail actually is the only way to get these kind of shots. And they even have campgrounds on this trail. This trail's so long, there's even camping sites on the trail. So I'm real psyched up for this thing. So hopefully, you know, in the spring and next summer and all that, we'll be getting some really good videos of the trailing and shooting the videos out there on the trail. So I'm real excited for that. But I'm real excited for this too, because what this is going to do is it's going to be able to make it for me to easily transport the Mini 2 on the bike. Okay, I mean, I got one of those little Pee Wee Herman baskets for it, so I could probably put this and the Mavic Air 2 in the Pee Wee Herman basket. So let's take a look at this thing real quick. All right, here's the box with the case, and here's the case I use now for the Mini 2. I use this, which actually is a Mavic Air 2 case, which is what I use for the Mini 2 right now. But going out on the trail, this case here is a lot smaller, so we're going to crack this one open so you can see it. I'm doing this one-handed, by the way, just as a FYI, because I don't feel like setting up a tripod, just to show you this little bag. There's the plastic. And you see how small it is. It's very compact. Let me get the zipper off of there. There it is with the zipper off. And so you got this side for the controller here. But it's raised up so you can put the spare batteries in the bottom. And you put the controller on top. Now, to use this case, you have to unscrew the sticks and put them back in their spot down there. You have to do that for this, so it's no big deal. Trust me, no big deal. And then you just set the drone in there. Set it in there like that. Perfect. Perfecto. And then the filters, you could probably sit on there too. You can. Now that's all you're going to be able to carry with that. So you're not going to be able to bring the charger and maybe a spare prop or two you could put in there. But if you wreck, you ain't going to be messing with it no more anyway. So I don't know. I don't usually even carry spare props with me. If I crash, who knows going to want to change props and keep going after you destroyed the drone. So, you know, I'm not a big fan of carrying spare props around. So anyway, there that is. Now, I don't know if you could put the regular Mini. I don't know how that controller would go in there. if it would fit. I don't see why it wouldn't, which is over here. Here's the regular mini, because I have 3 minis, 2 regulars and a mini 2. So, yeah. Well, wait a minute. It might not go in because of the sticks. You might not be able to do that. Yeah, it closes. Yeah, no big deal. So you could actually use this for a Mavic Mini, because you can carry the spare batteries in there like that. So maybe I'll just get. But you know, this is the nice case. So this case is kind of on par with that one there. This was the nice case. This is the case they should have used for the Mini 2. But DJI gave you that crappy ass bag, which I promptly threw in the garbage. But I did dig it out of the garbage and send it to Ray. So, yeah, this case is really sweet. And that is a lot less footprint. As you can see there, that's a lot less footprint on the, for the bike basket. As there's a rack on the back. But I bought a basket to zip tie to the rack. And then I'll be throwing like the Mavic Mini 2, Mavic Mini, maybe put the Mavic Air 2 on there. Those will probably be my travel drones. So, yeah, looks good, man. I like this little case right here. Really nice. Very small footprint, very nice. Nice quality, too. Sunnylife, they make good stuff, man. They make good stuff. All right, guys, there you go. Have a nice day. I'll talk to you later.